Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is going to be our Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing for the month of June. So if you guys want to know all about Ipsy and how it works, you guys know the drill. I talk about this all the time. I'm going to have everything linked down below. Really, we're just here because we want to see exactly what's inside the bag. Make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. I do a lot of unboxings here on my channel, as well as reviews, tutorials, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see what's inside this month's Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing, then just keep watching. We're going to dive into the very first bag, which is actually my bag. This is the one that I've had the longest. So here is what the Ipsy bag looks like. It is yellow and different shades of yellow. It's not anything too crazy, which I'm okay about, because some months I feel like they have really crazy bags, and then other months I'm like, ooh, that's actually really cute. So the very first thing I have in here, so here is by Bare Minerals. This is called Skin-Sorials, and this here is a Vital Power Infusion. The hell is this? Let me figure out what it is. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck and use morning and night. Yeah, it feels like a serum. So it's going to look in something like this, and we'll just put it on the back of our hand. I actually have used Bare Minerals products before as far as like their skin care line goes. I have their eye cream, which I really do like. So we'll try this out. It's supposed to empower, replenish, renew, and fortify the skin, I assume. So it looks like I got the Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow with jojoba oil. So the shade that I got in was in the shade Dubai. Okay, so it's got like these kind of harsh flecks in the eyeshadow. It's very chunky. So if you don't like chunky formulas, you're probably not going to like this. I don't see how this is going to really work using your brush. This is definitely something I feel like you would have to use with your finger, which you guys know how I feel about it. I like products that I can use a brush instead of my fingers because I have really long nails. I don't know. We'll have to play around with it though. The next thing I have in here is a brush by Lexi Beauty. You guys, they call this the 245 small shader, but honestly, this to me is like the perfect size to clean up your eyebrows. It's like the perfect size for like a really small, like detailed brush. I actually just got one from Morphe. Let me see. The one I just picked up is from Morphe, and this here is the Morphe M421. And I was literally this morning thinking I need to pick another one up, and they're the exact same thing. So I'm so excited. This alone makes the bag like completely worth it because I was actually wanting another brush like this. This is perfect if you like to do cut creases like I did today. If you like to clean up your eyebrows, this is amazing. It's even really good for like cleaning up along the edges of your lips. Just a really great brush to have on hand. The next thing we have in here is by Reka, and I hope I'm saying that right. This is a turmeric orange peel off mask. And then the very last thing I have in my brush is by Beauty for Real. This here is in the shade In the Navy, which I assume is a deep blue. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in my bag this month. So now let's move into the newer bag. First thing I have is by, it's either Beauty or Butte Basics. And this here is a Satin Taupe foiled eyeshadow. So this is really reminiscent of the MAC eyeshadow that I also have, which is called, I believe, Satin Taupe as well by MAC Cosmetics. And it was like, it still is one of my favorite shadows of all time. I always have to have like a refill of that. But I'm definitely gonna have to compare these two and see how well they compare to each other, because I may not need to get another one from MAC. We also have this little tube here by Hanalei, and it's called a lip treatment, and it is in the shade Mauve Pink. So I have this big pink tube right here, and this is by Delectable, and it is a body butter cream, and this is in the scent Triple Citrus Blend. Then we have the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Skin Base. I've gotten this before in my other bag, and I will say that it's okay. I personally am not like the biggest fan of it. It doesn't really do anything for me, but all right. I like that they have MAC Cosmetics in here. And then the last thing I have is this box right here by Nomad, and this is a illuminated highlighting powder. You guys, that is what it looks like. It's actually really soft, you guys. very opaque also, and I feel like this would definitely be something that would not like accentuate texture, which would be really nice. So that there finishes my bag. We also got a total of 5 items in this month's bag. I would definitely say that I feel like my first one is a lot better than my second one. This month's bag is good. I love my bag just because I really like that concealer brush. That's really the only thing I'm like super stoked about. Anyways, let me know if you guys actually liked your bags this month or if you guys didn't like your bags. And if you guys want to see any other unboxings, I just did unboxings for Allure Beauty Box and BoxyCharm, which I will link down below if you guys want to check it out, or I'll have them somewhere around here. Also, before you guys head out, please make sure to subscribe, and if you guys are already subscribed, make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are up to date whenever I post a video. That way it'll let you guys know, hey, Steph posted, and then you guys can come hang out with me. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.